Ever felt like your kindness was a magnet for the wrong kind of attention? Like you're handing out invitations to be exploited? You're the nice guy, the one who always helps, always listens, always gives the benefit of the doubt. But where has it gotten you? A pat on the back? Maybe. But more often, it's just a quiet, gnawing sense that you're being played. That your good nature is less a virtue and more a vulnerability. We're told goodness prevails. But what if that's a carefully crafted illusion? A comforting lie we tell ourselves to avoid confronting the harsh realities of power. What if, in our pursuit of being good, we've become predictable, easy targets in a world that doesn't always play fair? This isn't about becoming a villain. It's about understanding the shadows where power truly resides and how to navigate them without losing yourself. Enter Machiavelli, not the caricature of evil, but the shrewd observer of human nature. He understood a fundamental truth. People aren't always driven by altruism. They're driven by self-interest, by fear, by the perception of power. He saw that kindness without strategy is like a shield made of paper. It might look good, but it offers little real protection. He famously stated, "It is better to be feared than loved, if you cannot be both." Now, before you recoil, consider this. Is it truly better to be loved and exploited, or respected and secure? Think about the people who hold real influence. Are they always the loudest, the most outwardly good? Or do they possess a certain air of mystery, a quiet confidence that commands attention? Machiavelli knew that perception is paramount. It's not just about what you are, but how others see you. A leader who projects weakness invites challenge. A person who constantly seeks approval signals their vulnerability. It's about mastering the art of projecting strength, even when you might not feel it. This isn't about manipulation for its own sake. It's about understanding that in a world where appearances matter, you can't afford to be naive. How often have you given away your power by revealing too much, by being too predictable? Machiavelli understood the power of strategic silence. He knew that information is a weapon, and those who control it control the narrative. The moment you become an open book, you lose your strategic advantage. Consider this. Why do some people seem to have an almost magnetic pull? It's not just their charisma. It's their strategic distance. They don't always make themselves available. They understand that scarcity breeds desire. They know when to retreat, when to let their absence be felt. When you're always within reach, you become a resource, not a person of value. And then there's emotional control. The ability to remain calm, collected, and unreadable in the face of provocation. Machiavelli saw that those who lose their temper lose control. They become predictable, easily manipulated. True power lies in the ability to maintain composure, to act with cold calculation, even when emotions run high. Finally, there's strategic patience. The ability to wait for the opportune moment, to observe, to calculate, to strike with precision. The world rewards those who know how to play the long game, not those who rush in impulsively. Machiavelli's lessons aren't about abandoning your principles. They're about understanding that goodness without strategy is a dangerous liability. It's about learning to navigate the complexities of human nature, to protect yourself, and to wield your influence with wisdom and discernment. It's about being an anomaly, not a sheep. Are you ready to stop being a player and to start writing the rules?